Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to bridge MATIC from the Ethereum blockchain to the Polygon blockchain. And this is because if you buy MATIC on Coinbase and send it from Coinbase to your Metamask wallet, it's going to send on the Ethereum blockchain. And then it'll show up in your Ethereum mainnet as MATIC. If you don't see it, you'll have to import the MATIC token. But we want it on if you want it on the Polygon network, you can go to wallet.polygon.technology and then go to Polygon Bridge. Then go to Metamask, connect your wallet that has the MATIC on the Ethereum blockchain. And then you'll see here, you can click and go to MATIC. And we're going to send MATIC from the Ethereum chain, we'll do max, to the Polygon chain. And this is going to cost you a gas fee. So this is the estimate. And then show you the transaction fee in ETH. So you might have ETH. You need ETH to make this bridge. And I think I read somewhere that this may take 7 to 8 minutes. But this should, complete and send your MATIC from the Ethereum mainnet. Let's see it ending here. It will send it from here to the Polygon. Here. So to bridge the MATIC from the Ethereum mainnet to the Polygon mainnet, they took 2 transactions, which you can see on the Ethereum mainnet, which isn't ideal, but if you do another way with the Ethereum mainnet, you're going to always have to pay gas. So these were the 2 transactions, and it was like $6 in gas fees and then $20. So that was less than $30, but there's other ways to do it cheaper. But if you are used to using Ethereum and Coinbase, this is another means to an end. And then you'll see that my assets, MATIC is 0 now on the Ethereum mainnet, and then if I go to Polygon mainnet, you'll see the MATIC there. It did take quite a while, and then I think I went and accepted cookies. I think that might have helped speed it up. So I hope this maybe is helpful if you're used to using Coinbase and Metamask wallet. Thanks everyone. Good luck.